Right now, India's own manufacturing sector is scaling up fast, specifically in the automobile, aerospace, and defense industries. But companies in these fields are hitting a wall. They desperately need highly technical workers on the shop floor to maintain this output, and the usual graduate pipeline isn't filling the gap. The traditional route is a 4-year engineering degree. That means 4 years completely out of the workforce, high tuition costs, and a heavy focus on classroom theory over applied skills. To bypass this logjam, industry leaders and technical institutes rely on an alternative pathway, the Advanced CNC Machining Technician course. The trade-off is clear. You drop the broad foundation of a university degree for a 1 to 2 year hyper-specialized fast track. The question we need to answer is whether that shortcut actually pays off in the real world. An advanced CNC machining technician manages the entire production life cycle of a part, from writing the initial program and setting up the machine to overseeing the final output. The entry barrier is intentionally accessible. You only need a 10th grade pass with basic science and math or a basic ITI diploma to get started. Depending on the institute, the entire training process takes just 1 to 2 years. This side-by-side matrix shows the strict difference in investment. On the left, a traditional B.Tech locks you in for 4 years with high tuition. On the right, the CNC diploma cuts the timeline in half or more with significantly lower upfront costs. You get that massive time savings because the curriculum strips away general theory. Every day is spent on applied, hands-on learning with the machines. The upfront costs in time and money are low, but the mental aptitude you need to succeed is highly specific. To know if you'll actually survive this path, we need to look at the exact skills the job demands. Let's clear up a major misconception right away. Modern CNC machining is not mindless physical factory labor. Before you touch a piece of metal, you have to read complex engineering drawings. That means a solid, practical grasp of 10th grade mathematics and geometry is absolutely non-negotiable. This schematic shows flat 2D coordinates mapping directly onto a physical object. You translate mathematical angles into physical tool offsets. If you struggle with this spatial relationship, you hit a wall. Workers lacking math stay stuck at the basic operator level, relying on others. Once you understand the geometry, your main job is acting as the technical bridge. You have to literally speak the language of the machine to tell it what to do. That language is written in G code and M code. These are the specific programming languages required to command both CNC turning and milling machines. This chart maps market value between physical and mental tasks. Bottom left, low effort, low salary, is routine machine maintenance. Basic operating remains lower left. G-code programming and CAD/CAM design land in the top right, where high mental effort means high salary. To reach that lucrative top right corner, you have to become a hybrid worker. You need the ability to design the digital process on a screen and then personally execute it on the floor. Balancing these two distinct worlds is difficult. You are constantly testing clean, perfect programming logic against dirty, unpredictable shop floor variables like heat, friction, and metal density. Ultimately, your financial value to a company doesn't come from pushing the green start button. Your value comes from writing the complex code that tells that button what to do. Institutes often market these programs with images of pristine labs, but the daily reality of the shop floor is intense and physical. You will deal with unglamorous drudgery. That means performing constant machine maintenance, carefully identifying microscopic tool wear, and adhering to rigid safety rules. Then there is the concept of work zero. When you set up a new workpiece in the machine, you are working with an absolute zero margin for error. This creates immense psychological pressure during quality inspection. A single miscalculated millimeter can scrap a highly expensive aerospace or defense component, and you are responsible for that loss. It is a high-pressure, physically demanding environment that requires unbroken mental focus for hours at a time. It is the exact opposite of a relaxed corporate desk job. So, if you are willing to endure the pressure and the physical demands of the shop floor, does it actually pay off financially? Let's look at the immediate financial reality after you finish your 1 to 2 year course. This line graph tracks the typical salary trajectory in India. At year 1, as a fresher, your starting salary reliably falls between 18 and 30,000 rupees per month. If you remain a basic CNC operator, this line stays completely flat. Your income stalls. But here is the secondary trajectory. This line curves sharply upwards, bringing your monthly income to the 35 to 70,000 rupee bracket. To get on that upward curve, you must upgrade your job title to CNC setter, or ideally, CNC programmer. The high return on investment is a realistic goal, but it remains conditional. Reaching the highest salary brackets requires you to master new programming skills and CAM software long after your diploma is in hand. Let's run a final evaluation to see if you are wired for this specific career path. This decision flowchart starts with your educational foundation. First question, are you comfortable with math and geometry? If the answer is no, you should reconsider. Without that foundation, your skills and salary plateau early. If yes, we move to the next node. Are you willing to work hands-on in a high-pressure manufacturing environment? If you hesitate here, look for a traditional desk job. This industry doesn't reward a passive mindset. But if you can say yes to both, you are an ideal candidate, perfectly positioned for high earning potential in the aerospace, auto, or defense sectors. Do not choose this path if you are looking for easy work, or if you refuse to constantly adapt to new software and machinery. The CNC course is designed for the pragmatic optimizer. You trade 4 years of classroom theory for a fast, intense, and highly lucrative hands-on reality.